Hi, welcome to Math Widgets. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction to improper fraction. And also, we will solve some example questions. Let's get into the video. So, we are learning how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Here, 14 upon 3 is a improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So, to convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction, first we divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient we get is a whole number. The remainder, we will write it as a numerator and the denominator stays the same. Let's write 14 upon 3 into a mixed fraction. 14 as a numerator. Numerator will be our dividend. Denominator our divisor. So 3 times table we don't have 14 but we have 12. 3 times 4 is 12 and the remainder is 2. Here this is quotient. 4 is quotient and 2 is remainder, 3 is divisor. Now here we write the mixed fraction as our quotient is our whole number, remainder is our new numerator and the denominator stays the same. Okay, this is our mixed fraction for the improper fraction 14 upon 3. Let's solve 25 upon 4. Let's divide 25 upon 4. 4 times table we don't have 25. So the closest number is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 as the remainder. And 6 as our quotient. Now here our new whole number is 6, which is our quotient in the division. And new numerator is 1, which is our remainder. And denominator stays the same. So this is the mixed number for the improper fraction 25 upon 4. Okay. The same way we can convert mixed fraction into improper. To convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, we have to multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add the numerator. The result is the new numerator. Okay. Let's multiply. We have to multiply our whole number by the denominator. 7 times 4 is 28 and then we have to add our numerator, which is 29 and our denominator stays the same, 29 upon 4. Similarly, here 10 as the whole number, 3 is the numerator, 6 is the denominator. Let's multiply denominator times whole number. 10 as the whole number, 6 is the denominator, 10 times 6 is 60 and our numerator is 3. So 60 plus 3 is 63 and denominator stays the same, which is 10 3 by 6 is a mixed fraction. If we convert into improper fraction, we will get 63 upon 6. The same way here whole number 7 times denominator 10, which is 7 times 10 is 70 and 70 plus our numerator is 3, which is 73 and the denominator stays the same, 73 upon 10. Here also the same. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 plus 5 is 41 upon 9. Okay. This is how we can easily convert mixed fractions to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. Let's practice some questions based on conversion of improper to mixed and mixed to improper. Here 86 by 10. Let's convert into mixed fraction. 10 times 8 is 80 and 6 upon 10. 23 divided by 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 upon 3. 4 1 upon 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 upon 2. 2 5 upon 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25 upon 10. 43 upon 7. 7 times 6 is 42 and 1 is remainder. 1 upon 7. 8 4 upon 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44 upon 5. So this is how we solve simple and easy way. Okay. So far we had seen how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction to improper fraction. I hope you understand the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Thank you.